Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another birthday entry for you today, and this is coming from Miss Dina, who is crafting it up with D. Girl, how big is your Memorydex card? Oh my goodness, lady. Oh my goodness, what did you do? So let me get into this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, let's see, what did she do? Oh, that is so pretty. What the heck, woman? Let's see, this is her card. Oh my gosh, I'm still covered in glitter, guys, from Teresa's entry. So this is her card. Oh, there's confetti. Oh, sequins. Oh, so cute. I can add this to my birthday jar like everything else has been going in there. So cute. Thank you, D. It says, happy birthday, Eileen. I had so much fun creating this Memorydex card and box for you. The fall items are a gift for your birthday. I hope you can use it. Enjoy and happy crafting. Your friend. Oh, girly. Dina. Crafting it up with D. Gorgeous. Look at her card. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Thank you so much, love. You really shouldn't have. This thing is gigantic. Oh my goodness. What is this? Let's see. She used some washi tape and some bubble. Ooh. What does that mean? Super protected. Oh. Okay, so that's in the bag. Let's see, let's see. Oh my gosh, girl. Beautiful. Dina, it's a shaker box. Oh my God, look at that. Thankful for you. Is this the Marigold collection? Let me know. This is gorgeous. Yeah, I did not pick up Marigold. Oh my gosh, I've been so wrapped up in Doodlebug because it's so adorable. But let me open this up. Look at the shaker. Ooh, girl. I love that. So cute. Oh, this is her Memorydex card. Oh my gosh. Put that away. Let's see what this is first. This beautiful ribbon. You know, of course, Eileen is going to keep this gold ribbon. Thank you so much, Dina. Love it. And this paper, I'm going to put this to the side because I don't want to open it yet. I want to see her card last. Got some sequins here. This paper is beautiful. Wow, Dina. She is so crazy. What do you do? Look at me, I'm taking the tape off. I'm keeping it. Oh my gosh. My girls are crazy. My girls are crazy. Not necessary, but I love you. Oh God. Let me see. Here we go. I'm trying to save this gorgeous paper. Can you tell? Don't worry, I'll fast forward through here. And she has a glitter tape. Dina. Oh my goodness. Woman, look what she did, guys. Look what she did. Are you serious? Dina? What? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is Simple Stories, and this is the Fall Farmhouse. And look at the colors, guys. This is the colors that Christian's been crafting with the Cup of Kindness. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful colors. She also has, oh, look at the birthday hats. She also has the 6x6. Oh, I guess she was trying to hide the price, but it's okay, girl, because I know I'm a Tuesday morning everything. Oh my gosh, Dina. So this is 6x8. I don't have this collection. Oh, it's double-sided. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at this, you guys. Dina. Look at the truck with the wheelbarrow even. Oh, girl. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm gonna open your card. Oh my goodness. This beautiful box. And look at this gold tissue. What a beautiful touch that was. Look at that. Beautiful box. Oh, did she put her sticker? Made with love, crafting it up with Dee. Oh my God. Look at her Memory Decks card, guys. I think this is the Marigold collection. Ah, don't quote me, but you know, it's so pretty. She has the gold ruffled crepe paper back here, and then she has the pink leaf details back here. Oh my gosh, she's got some vellum. Oh my goodness, I can't even hold on to it. She has some vellum here, and she has this, I think this is the Tim Holtz rosette right here. And on top of the rosette, she's got this gorgeous tulle. You can see it. Beautiful. And then she's got an owl and a gemmy and the puffy stickers. Oh my gosh. Another puffy sticker here. It says lovely. And she's got a little bling on there, right there. And then she's got two little flowers and this little teeny tiny dangle with the teeny tiniest tassels. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, Dina. And then her back here says, you know, made with love by crafting it up with Dee. I am loving these stickers that you guys are making with your names on them. I'm so thankful. This one says thankful for you. And her info is in this pocket right here. Let me see before I show anything. So it says, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. So true. Let me put that right there. Let me see. Her birthday is October 10th. She just had a birthday. Favorite color is purple. Favorite holiday is Halloween and Christmas. Her style is clean and simple. Very true. I can see that here. She enjoys making albums and 3D projects. Love everything floral. Oh my goodness, Dee. And then her YouTube channel and her Instagram is crafting it up with Dee. Oh my goodness, Dina. Let me put this in here so I don't show any important information. Whoops. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? Didn't she do a beautiful job? Look at the little thumb holes here. This box is beautiful. She used the gold paper. I think this is a die cut, but oh my God, I love it. Dina, thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything. You did not have to do this, girly, but I love it. I appreciate you. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. Please go check her out. Subscribe to her channel and, you know, show her some crafty love. Oh, I'm so overwhelmed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video.